Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and today I wanted to give you a very short condensed view of a state park I just recently stayed at called Hallow State Park in Hallow, Arizona. Now, if you're not familiar with where Hallow is, it's about 3 hours north of Phoenix, northeast actually, and some of the good parts about that is in the summertime, when it's 95 or 100 in Phoenix, that means it's 75 or 80 degrees here in Hallow, Arizona. So one of the cool features that may be worth looking into, and also one of the reasons why you kind of need to book ahead, because a lot of people do move up from Phoenix to come here to escape the heat during the summer months. And man, wait till you get to see the views I had from my spot. So there's 4 categories I wanted to share with you. The first being the activities here. So because of the lake, you have fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding, other boat type rentals that you can do right from here. They offer both RV and tent camping sites here. And I think the park is very well maintained. You see the rangers coming up in their little vehicles all day long. So they're keeping up on it. I'm going to show you that here as we drive around in just a moment. So the park also has a lot of different hiking trails for all different skill levels as well. And the thing that's cool is, you know, as you're hiking around lakes and so forth, it just feels a little cooler than it actually is sometimes. So if you like outdoor adventures, peaceful, relaxing area, you know, I would recommend coming here. I think this is a great park for that in Arizona, worth checking out. And before I drive you around and show you real quickly the park itself, let me know in the comments section if you've stayed here before already and what you thought about the park. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Now, sit back, enjoy the ride, and let's drive through the park. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I hope your trip is optimized.